see trees.
Remy, what are you doing? Remy, say hi to Kansas City. Remy, say hi to Kansas City. Hey guys, it's John T. It's day 243 on my vlogs for Facebook, YouTube. And let's go check out my cat and my dogs. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Katrina.
How old are you? Ooh, we made it to rank 47 tonight. It would make me so uber happy to make it to 42 tonight. I would love to be rank 42.
Oh my goodness, look at Molly and let me go at it. Holy cow, look at that. Remy's eating up Molly. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Remy just has so much energy. So much energy. Ben's just laying here going, okay, I'm just going to lay here and don't turn the camera on me. I'm not ready for the camera. Don't put the camera on me. I'm going to leave now. If you're going to videotape me without my permission, I'm leaving. I'm going to kick him. No, he doesn't want to have anything to do with this. Look at this. He's biting her head. Look at him go. Look at him go. Alright, Rems. That's enough. Remy. Remy, stop. Remy, come. Come here. Leave her alone. Come here. Alright. Alright, sit up. Sit up. Alright guys, that will conclude day 243 of my vlogs on Facebook, YouTube. Peace in the Middle East. This is a wrap. I'm John T. and I'm out. Oh, here comes. Bear looks good. Bear looks really good.
Wow, welcome.
Jay got fucking cornered by Burmese girl. She's like, you're not leaving. You're not.